Are you sick of flimsy, cheap shop stools? Meet the Fast Freddy Pin Pro. We built it to be super tough, really comfortable, it's nice and simple, and it's built to last. Now, this beast of a chair has 3.5 inches of high quality dense foam that's going to give you all day comfort when you're working on this thing. And beyond that, we've covered it with 2 genuine leather options, like a black with yellow Kevlar stitch and a brown with a black Kevlar stitch. And not only does it look good, it feels good, but it's going to handle the abuse that you're going to throw at it every day. Now, when we say tough, we actually mean it. We've made this base out of 3/16 plate, as well as the lower seat. We've also made it out of 3/16 as well. This DOM sliding assembly is also super heavy duty, and we've powder coated and zinc coated all the components to make sure there's no corrosion and this thing looks good for a long time. Now, if you're looking for functionality and mobility, this is the stool for you. We've got 4-inch casters on here, which means that you can glide across your shop. If you hit an extension cord or a zip tie, you're going to roll right over without this thing bucking you off. And beyond that, we have a locking caster option and a low friction kit for your caster to make sure this doesn't roll away from you on an uneven floor if you're not using it. Now, beyond that, we have 18 to 25 inches of adjustability on our sliding unit here. So no matter what you're working on it, you adjust it, set your height perfectly. That way you're perfectly efficient and you're really ergonomic for that all-day use. Now, have you been working on your generic stool, looking for tools, having to get up every 2 minutes to grab a different tool? Not with this stool, because it is your tool. With all these different options we have, keep your tools close, clip them onto your cup holders or to your mag bases, whatever options you need, we have it to make sure that you're not getting up and running around what you're looking for, and you can get this set up to exactly what you need it so you're super efficient. And as far as the capacity goes, this unit is good for 500 pounds. That means you can load her up, it's going to be heavy duty, it's going to withstand that weight, and it's going to do it all day long. So why settle for less? If you're putting some serious time on a shop stool and use it a lot, buy something that's got a good quality behind it. You know, a stool like this is going to look really good. It's going to keep you super comfortable. It's going to be really ergonomic. It'll make you really efficient. All your tools can be nice and close. You're not having to run for stuff. So keep that in mind. And when you make a purchase like this, you'll never look back. If you got more questions, see more at fastfreddyco.com and leave us a comment below. How many chairs have you gone through before you're going to make a serious purchase like this so you never have to look back? Have a good one.